Are you hungry? On a keto diet? Let me show you my favorite antipasto salad that's keto friendly. Coming up. Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. You probably don't know, but the last 5 months I've been doing a keto diet, and I knew nothing about that just a few months ago. So I watched a lot of YouTube videos about a ketogenic diet, and followed some, several YouTubers that are on the keto bandwagon. And, in 5 months, I've lost over 30 pounds. It's working. And today, I just want to share with you one of my favorite recipes that I found. Now, this is actually from Ashley Salvatori. And you want an antipasto salad, you got to go with someone named Salvatori, right? She knows the Italian food, but at any rate, yeah, she's one of the YouTubers that I watched a lot of her videos, and she does, very in-depth recipes with going into all the macros and calories and all of the content of the food, and she does a really good job. And I'm going to link her antipasto salad video link in the description, so you can watch that. I'm not stealing this from her, but I love the recipe, so I'm going to show you here. If you want, go check Ashley Salvatori out on the link below. So first thing, we're going to start with 1 pound of hard salami, and you want it cut really thick. And she says, at the deli, ask them to cut it really thick, and tell them that you want to cut it into cubes. And because they think you're crazy when you say, cut it 1/4 inch thick or more, or 1/2 inch thick. The deli people don't know what you're talking about. She talks about that in her video, and I've experienced that firsthand, trying to tell them, no, thicker than that. No, 1/4 inch thick, whatever. But at any rate, we're going to take a pound of hard salami. It's cut about 1/4 inch thick, and I'm going to just try to cut it into cubes. So here we go. And no, I never claimed to be good at cutting stacks of meat. But it all tastes the same. It tastes good anyway. So I've got it all cut up into cubes here. First half of it, throw it into my bowl. That big bowl here. And let's get it in there. Okay, and then the next ingredient is about 1.5 pounds of provolone cheese. And again, I'm going to cut about half of it up into cubes. Same thing. You want the deli to cut it, the same thickness as the salami, so you can try to cut it into cubes as best as possible. And then, of course, they always get confused that you want 1 pound of salami and 1.5 pounds of cheese. It's like, yeah, what's so hard about that? I don't know. There we go. Now we got some cheese into the bowl. Cheese into the bowl. And we'll go back, finish up the salami. And for everyone that didn't think that I knew my way around the kitchen, ha! I'm actually preparing food. Now, don't have to cook any of this. So, it's not going to burn because there's no cooking required. That's the beauty of this recipe. It's just chop it all up, throw it into a big bowl. There we go. And finish the cheese. Here we go. Okay, there we go. We'll get the cheese into the bowl here. Okay, and so then next we got 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper. This is the fun part for me. I don't really know how to cut peppers, so you know, I just do what I can. Into the bowl. Pick and bowl, pick and bowl. And then we got the red pepper. Same thing. I still don't know what I'm doing when it comes to cutting peppers, red or green. Okay, red pepper, pick and bowl, pick and bowl. Into the bowl you go. Okay. So the next thing is a can of sliced black olives, if you want. I love the black olives. The recipe calls for 6-ounce can of sliced olives. You can actually get the whole olives and slice them. You could actually go get some green olives and throw them in there too, or sliced green olives. Works also. So then after that, we're going to add 1 cup of olive oil. So we're going to get the olive oil into the bowl. 1 cup. And then 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. Yum, yum, yum. This is how I get my apple cider vinegar, is through this salad. It's very hard for me to drink it any other way. But love it in the salad. You don't have to use apple cider vinegar here. You could go with the red wine vinegar as well. Works just as well. But like I said, this is how I get my apple cider vinegar. So here we go. And then we mix it up. Get a good coating on everything. And mix it, and it starts looking really good. Yum, yum, yum. And then for me, I do one more thing. You know, this right here is Ashley's recipe, and She says it's the perfect keto meal. It's 83% fat, 16% protein, and like 3 grams of net carbs per serving and all of that. And so it's like perfect for weight loss, and perfect for anyone in ketosis. So, but I like to do one more thing. I throw in a package of sliced pepperoni. So I just take the whole package and dump it in with the sliced pepperoni. And I make sure we don't get the desiccant in there. There we go. And the beauty is you can add any other items you really want into this. Like I like to throw in the pepperoni into the antipasto salad. You can throw in all kinds of other things. You could do red pepper flakes and, like I said before, green olives, all of that. I'm sure you could probably use different cheeses. I'd really like to try like a pepper jack cheese sometime. You just put it in the fridge, and the longer it's in the fridge, the better it is, actually. The colder it is, the better, I think. But at any rate, this is my favorite. This is from Ashley Salvatori. I don't know if she's stealing it from someone else or not, but she's presenting it as her recipe, and that's where I got it from. There's a link in the description to her video if you want. Also, the recipe will be typed out in the description too. So if you want to try it. But this is, makes a full bowl here. It's huge. It's a lot of food. And her recipe says, one serving is 1 cup, and then there's 10 servings in this bowl. And I gotta admit, this is about 2 servings for me. I sit down, I can't stop. 1 cup, yeah, I don't think so. But that's how much I love it. So quick and easy, no cooking required. Antipasto salad. This is my favorite keto food altogether. And up and at 'em. Let's make some antipasto salad. Up and at 'em. Let's go. Feet on the floor. Let's go.